Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting ready. Park safely and put the ignition to accessory or engine on so Sync 3 powers up. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the head unit find it. On Sync 3 tap settings, then Bluetooth, then add device. You do this first because pairing establishes the core link for audio, phone, and phone integration. Make sure your phone's screen stays unlocked until pairing completes. You'll see your phone listed on the sync screen. Tap it and confirm the PIN shown on both devices. Once paired, accept prompts to allow contacts and messages. That enables hands-free calling and text notifications. If you want app mirroring, connect via USB and enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in settings. Install FordPass if you need remote features. These steps ensure voice commands, navigation, and media work seamlessly, so your driving stays focused and hands-free. Finish by testing core functions. Press the voice button and speak a command to verify recognition, then play audio to check streaming quality. Make sure you tweak sound settings, balance, fader, and EQ, so speech and media are clear on your speakers. If something fails, reboot the system by holding power and seek, then repair the phone. This solves most Bluetooth or CarPlay/Android Auto hiccups. If problems persist, disconnect other paired devices, restart your phone, and try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.